Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pause your store on Shopify. Really easy to do. So all you have to do this is just log into the Shopify account that you want to pause, and then you go down to settings at the bottom left, click on settings, and then you just want to go to the top search bar here and just search for pause. Now under pause, you want to go to account settings, which is under the Shopify admin option. Click on that. Scroll down and you will have three options here. I currently don't, just because this Shopify store is under a free trial. So it's not going to offer me to pause my store because I don't have one open yet. But for you, if you're signed into a plan, you will see the pause option right here. If you have any more questions though, you could also go to this other link here in search. So if you just search pause again under resources, you go to pause or close your Shopify store. And then under here, you can click on one that would work for you, like pause your store and continue to work on it, or you could pause your store completely and step away from it. So you can click on a corresponding one that will work for your situation, and then Shopify will walk you through the steps on how to set that up. So I really hoped I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to pause your store on Shopify. If you're looking for any other tips and tricks on Shopify, I do have a link in the description as well as in the comments, just to a playlist for you guys to learn more things on Shopify. Anyhow, I appreciate you guys watching, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.